Hi, assalamu alaikum, and hello everyone. Today we are in our garden. We are growing lots and lots of cucumbers in our area where our potatoes and some of our watermelon is. Some of them are ready to harvest, as you can see. I'm going to harvest this big one. I'm going to snip it off and grab it. And we got a nice, pretty nice, you see the size of my hand, pretty nice size cucumber. Now let's harvest some more. So we have more over here. These are the pickling cucumbers. Well, these leaves are very big. And we're going to cut this one off. And this little one. And these are all organic. Alright, so we've picked and harvested some of our cucumbers. So we have a lot here. Alright, we can have that one salad tonight, inshaallah. And we have more growing. These little flowers are new cucumbers. And we're going to continue to guide this up this fence. As you can see, it has more of these little climbers growing. So we're going to guide that, and I'm going to put it on the fence. And this is our harvest. And another bonus is we planted cabbage next to our cucumbers, which help keep away pests organically without the use of chemical fertilizers or any type of chemical sprays or even natural sprays. This is a natural bug repellent for our cucumbers.